Today I'm working on a project that actually started about a year ago. Finally got some time to finish it. It's a mini fridge. It holds like 6 cans. I had the Nuka Cola front 3D printed, then I epoxied it on. Now I'm just putting some Bondo on it to smooth it out and try to make it look like it's one piece. Finally got all the hand sanding done. Now I gave it a good thick coat of sandable primer. Now I just gotta wait for this to dry. This is what it looks like all primed up. And there's some parts for it, but I've gone through and hand sanded everything on it now. So now it's ready for a coat of finish. Got the first coat of red put on it now. Just gotta let it dry so I can do the accent colors. Just using a piece of plexiglass to make the front of the door. To cut the plexiglass, I'm just using my Dremel with a little cutoff wheel on it, and it's working pretty good. Got it all taped off so I can paint section white. Took some of this fencing, made some the shelves for it. I still have to attach them in there yet though. Almost have it all put together now. It's all painted. Just gotta figure out what to do for the top part where there's a screen. There's supposed to be a screen in the video game. Just finished cutting the top piece of plexiglass. To get it the right size, I just put some aluminum foil in it and traced it on my plexiglass here. And roughly cut it out with the Dremel. And I Finished it with the belt sander. It's finished. I printed off a loading screen and put it behind the plexiglass. It's all done now.